I still feel.
I love Fortnite. I love Fortnite! You know what I'm saying? Cannon swag.
Ooh, nice.
You kill him!
He's trying to C4. I heard
He
it.
only threw one, that's two. Oh, that's three, that's four.
He walked into the trap!
No, dude, I'm dead.
Get over here!
Oh! Boom! Woo! That knock was nasty.
Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go.
Oh! Shroud!
What? No, hold on, hold on.
Shroud!
Relax, 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 relax. I'm gonna do it to him. Just wait, just wait. Here it is, here it is, here it is.
Oh!
Yes!
What?
Yes!
Yeah, I'm gonna knock him off. And what do you know? They're launching. Ben.
Ben! No! Ben! Oh, ah! You!
Jump. Happy Father's Day.
Are you serious?
Happy Father's Day! Later, Ben!
Get me out of here. Get me out of here. Ah! Thanks for the win, Ben.
You're welcome, brother. Hi, Charlie.
Hi, is you Tim?
Hi, Charlie.
Hi. Ah,
Charlie, are you not feeling good?
yeah, I'm not feeling good.
I hope you feel better, Charlie.
Yeah.
Benjamin! I can only live. Oh, you're dead. When did you die?
I don't want to talk about. I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it.
Ben,
Enjoy these nades. Forehead.
I'm gonna die. Am I gonna die fall damage?
No, there's a trap.
Oh!
Why is there a trap here, dude?
Hey, enjoy these nades.
Is he inside?
He's right through the door. He tried to thirst me.
I'm just getting loot box so he doesn't die.
Okay, careful with the trap, careful with the trap.
Are we
I know
dead?
what the trap is, man.
There you go.
Am I dead?
Hey, enjoy these nades.
About that chug.
Hey, Ben. Hey, Ben.
Enjoy these names.
Yeah, I got videos, I got videos.
Here's how it happened.
Oh, look at me, I'm Dr. Lupo, I know how to snipe.
Alright, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, jump.
Okay.
Wait, knocked out Dr. Gorilla with a great fall? What? He fell and killed. Oh.
Apparently.
Wait, what? Wait, what?
Part of the cube, part of the ship, part of the cube, part of the ship. He's landing on me! You! He's holding me on.
I got one.
I even knew!
I saw it coming, dude.
Oh my god, dude! Look at it! Give it a loot!
Literally.
Oh my god! Later, Sockman14. Yeah, real nice name. Hey, I'm gonna do what everyone else does. Hey. Oh my god! You should have seen. Drink it! Drink the jug, man. No! Drink the jug! Let's dance together, baby! Yeah! Okay. And 1, and 2, and 3. Now drink the jug, dude. What the? You're not. I need you to drink it, man. Look, dude. Drink the jug, dude. Get off me! Get off me! You're on me, get off me! I just used metal. What am I doing? What am I doing? My brain! My brain is on! Assuming that this guy is 100. I see him. Oh! No! right, guy on my right running. No! Oh! Seize! Seize! Oh! Ah! Oh! Ah! What do you do when you do not know the way? And you find two people who also do not know the way. You make one do the disco, and then you make his best friend do the disco while you dab on him, let him know you're a ninja, build a wall, shoot a rocket, and then finish him. Oh, no! The last player alive. One jump pad, one campfire. Ninja takes off in the sky. He's gonna be soaring down. You see that lightning glider just soaring, almighty and beautiful. This player's gonna try to put those bandages down. No, that's a med kit. But unfortunately, Ninja gonna come in hot with that boogie bomb. See the player giving off her moves. She's definitely done this before, you can tell. And that's the game. Woo! Oh, these guys are under the map. Oh my god.
In the lake?
No, yeah, somewhere. I'm building. They can't shoot.
Pretty sure.
You know what my favorite thing about the double pump, man, is just how balanced it is. And how much skill it takes. Oh my god! Excuse me, sir. But I heard you were fantastic at the disco! It's a panic at the disco! Oh my, oh, hold up.